Today my son came back from school with a cough and it's viral season. So here are 5 things I'll immediately start doing at home to stop it from getting worse. I am taking 1 big black cardamom, 4 to 5 raisins, and then I'll soak them in a lot of water for 4 to 5 hours. Then I give this slightly warm water throughout the day to my son. I'll be giving this to him for next 2 days only because this is warm in nature and you should not overdo it. Next I am making these immunity cubes. I take some orange, ginger, lemon, black pepper, some turmeric and some pomegranate seeds. Juice everything together and freeze it. Just add little warm water into the freezed cubes, add a little bit of honey and your immunity shot is ready. Cough always worsens during sleep. So just before my son sleeps, I give him a little bit of mulatti powder, add some saunf powder and a little bit of honey to it. This soothes the throat and prevents coughing in the night. And of course, for next some days, warm and comforting meals only. Like this healthy and simple apple and oats porridge that my son likes a lot. Or a classic khichdi, healthy, warm and easily digestible. Not a medical advice, but this is what I do when my son suffers from cough. What's your go-to home remedies? Please share and let me know.